Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Amazon application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So Amazon is probably one of the biggest online shopping platform. It is known by pretty much everybody, and there is not a single thing that you cannot find and purchase from here. So the application itself is very easy to use. There's a home page where you can search for different products, and you can also see the top deals, the best sellers, and some personal recommendations based on your searches and interests. Then here is the the personal page. Here you can follow your previous orders, your wish list. You can visit the Buy Again site where you can repurchase some of your favorites, and you can also check your gift cards balance here. In the cart section, it's everything that's in your cart and waiting for you to buy them. So here you can always delete the product or save for later if you changed your mind. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see products that are often repurchased in different sections. So just something for everyone. And at the very last button, you can find all the different categories that this application provides. You can set the language and different notifications. You can find the customer service here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.